Hi everybody. Welcome to Monday, November the 30th. I hope you had a good long weekend and were able to actually have a little bit of rest and relaxation. I know a lot of you are working, taking a bunch of classes too, and taking care of family. So that's probably asking a bit much, but I hope you could at least take a couple of hours to rest and recharge. With that said, I just want to remind you all that we've got 2 weeks left in the class. Thank you so much for taking the time to meet with me last week. It was great. It was really good to meet all of you. I have a couple of conferences that I'm finishing up with today. But thank you. Thank you so much for reaching out, for talking with me. It was so good to learn a little bit about all of you. I do want to remind you all that I did go in and grade your analysis essays. Please check on the grade. I gave you points. I didn't give you a letter grade. I gave you points out of 100. And if you go into your gradebook and you click on the points themselves, you will see my comments there, and I uploaded a rubric for you. And that rubric is to, has just brief comments and or just shows you where you were strong, areas that you might want to work on for the future. If you have any questions about that, please let me know, but please look at those comments with that rubric. So for today, as a reminder, at 11:59 p.m. today, Monday, November the 30th, you have your introduction due. It is right here, your introduction, thesis, outline, and source list. When you click on this, it gives you all the directions. The essay directions are here. The rubric for the essay is here, as well as video recordings. Your sources are listed as well. So please make sure that you go in and take a look at those sources and everything else. The sources are down here, as well as this. But please follow this outline. You need your title and your introduction. You've got your outline. Remember, as I said to you, you are welcome to copy and paste that outline, and then give me a list of your 3 sources. What I will do by tomorrow, Tuesday, is go in and give you feedback, yay or nay. This looks good, you're in the right direction. Or I might say something like, you need to have another source, or please consider something different for body paragraph number 2, or something along those lines. So please look for that feedback from me by tomorrow, which is Tuesday. And then as a reminder as to what we are doing for the rest of the week, once you get that feedback, then you are going to be working on the draft of your essay. And once you have finished that essay draft, you are going to be uploading it to the discussion board. You will only see one link, and that discussion board will include you and either 1 or 2 other people in your class. And that is due by Friday, the 4th, 11:59 p.m. So please make sure that you do that. Complete that draft, and here are all the directions for that. And then due by Monday, 11:59 p.m., you have the specific feedback that you are going to give to the 1 or 2 partners in your group. So again, please make sure that that gets completed on time. The other thing that you will have due then next week is to set up student conferences with me on either the 8th or the 9th. And what I will be doing is going over those, in those conferences, I'll be setting up a WebEx meeting so I can record it. And I'll be going over your rough draft as well and giving you feedback. So you'll have feedback from the outline, feedback from your peer reviews, and feedback from me. And all of that will be done and completed by either Tuesday or Wednesday, December the 9th. Please make sure that you do that. Click on this link to set up that conference for me, and please do that as soon as possible. Do not wait until next week. I say do it once you've heard this or read the email from me. Again, take care. You'll have that done as soon as possible. And then once you have all of that feedback, your final essay will be due 2 weeks from today, December the 14th. We've got this. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. Take care, and we will talk soon.